This is a great 5-minute everyday makeup look. I know you're thinking, how on earth are you going to do your makeup in 5 minutes and have it look good? But trust me, it can be done. And you know what? We're going to start off by talking about the strategy behind this look, because it isn't just any old 5 minutes, any old makeup that you've got lying around. And I'm not saying you have to buy specific products. I'm talking about you can actually curate the perfect 5-minute makeup look with specific products that work great for that look. And if you know that you've only got 5 minutes, then you should have specific products that you know work well for those 5 minutes. And that's why I want to go through this, because it really is about understanding how different products can work well for different amount of time that you have, and also different looks that you want to go for. So you obviously have your usual makeup for a full glam. You know that that's the kind of eyeshadow palette you go to. That's the foundation you usually go to for that look. It's the same thing for 5 minutes. And what I find happens is when you don't have enough time, people end up forgetting about having allocated products for that little time that you have to get ready. You've got all these products that you have and you spend money on for special occasions and dinners and events that you go to when you have extra time to be able to do your makeup. But you need to think about that kind of rushed look in the same way. You need specific things that work well when you don't have much time. So that's why I wanted to go through this. I want you to really understand that there are very clever, strategic, multi-use tasking products that you can use that work well for this type of look. Choosing the right products is what makes this 5-minute look work so well and look so good at the end of it. Firstly, I use multitasking products. A tinted moisturizer or CC cream is going to be amazing for this type of look. It's quick, it's easy, adds your hydration, doesn't dry out your skin, is looking after your skin primarily before it even thinks about coverage. But at the same time, it is giving you that coverage, it's giving you that skin-like finish. The worst thing you can do when you only have 5 minutes is pile on a thick foundation. Plus, you're actually knocking out like so many things that you need done in one go. You've got SPF most of the time in tinted moisturizer and CC creams, you've got a little bit of coverage, you've got the hydration in there. Now the next thing that I do is I use a cream blush as my lip color as well as my cheek color. That way I'm still getting some color on my lips and I'm not having to reach for anything else or look for a new lipstick. Now I actually skip contour for this type of look. I mean, obviously you just will not have the time for it, but what you can do is use a really good bronzer that's going to give you that nice sculpt, but also almost make your skin look alive, because the whole point is you want to get this whole look done, but you also want to get that depth there, but you don't want it to look muddy, but you also do want your skin to look really bouncy and healthy at the same time, which is kind of hard if you think about trying to get all these things done all in one go in just 5 minutes. Now another thing that I do is I streamline my tools. I use my fingers a lot for this, and I do use brushes and sponges, but I do try to use my fingers where I can, because it's just a lot quicker when you are working with 5 minutes. And you know what I think this does is it cuts down decision time. You know, when you're like, what brush do I need? Instead, you just use what you have, which is your fingers. Very quickly, if you haven't already, please sign up to thebeautybreakfastclub.com. It's an online publication platform that I basically created for everyone who loves anything to do with beauty and who wants real talk. Especially if you're over 40, you're going to love that place. It talks about a lot of beauty stuff. So there's new product releases on there, there's reviews on there, there's tips and tricks, there's tutorials on there. So head on over there, you're gonna absolutely love it. It's free, which gives you access to some of the sites. So there's a new newsletter that goes live every 2 days, or you can go for the paid version, which I think is the best version, obviously, but it does help to support my work too. And it only costs you the same as getting yourself one coffee a month. It unlocks the entire site for you. You've got 2 years to catch up on, and there's a lot of stuff on there that you're gonna love. But not only that, I think the best thing also is you get to join the group chat, and that means you get to join all of us as part of the community, and you get to ask questions directly to me and I answer them. So I want to see you over there. Okay, should we get started with this? I know you're excited. So, okay, now we are going to time this. I'm going to do this super quick. We do want a very easy look. I don't want anything crazy. I want something that's going to look fresh, is going to make me look alive and well, and just not like this. So let's put our timer on. We're going to start. Oh, where has it gone? 5 minutes starts now. Okay, I've got my IT Cosmetics CC cream, my BK Beauty 106 brush. Just smooth this all over because we don't have time to do anything else really. Like buffing and stuff goes out the window when you have 5 minutes. Okay, that's done. Now we're going to go with concealer. Now this is where I told you this is my multitasking concealer. We're going to get some on the back of the hand as well. Now this is where we are going to use the sponge, and it's damp. See how we've just literally blended that in? Whatever's left on this, we're just going to get onto the eyelids a little bit. Not a lot, because you don't want to look like pasty. Now we're going to get some blush. We're going to use fingers for this, and then I'm going to show you what you do. Put it on the lips, go over with your sponge that already has a bit of concealer on there. Then you are going to get your powder, which, by the way, I forgot there. You're actually going to go in with your pressed powder. And this is going to give you a nice finish. Because it's the easiest thing that you can go for, you don't want to mess around with loose powder. So then what we're going to do is we're going to get this bronzer. This is my Kosas, the Sun Show bronzer. This is in the shade Beachy. This adds a little bit more kind of like, just a nice, kind of healthy, awake look. Then what we want to do is get a nice shape to our brows. See how we've just shaped them? So we're not worrying about feathering. We just feather after we've actually shaped them. That way, you get a good shape regardless. See what I mean? Okay, now lip pencil. There you go, and then we want just a little bit of mascara. You actually don't need a lot. You just want to get a little bit on your upper and lower lashes. I would say we want to add a little bit more of this colour from the blush. Just to liven up the lips a little bit. And anything else, you can add a little bit more bronzer if you want. This is where I feel like I just do the finishing touches. Side of the nose. What are we thinking? Guys, I think I've even still got... I think it's done. My watch has actually died because the battery is so low, but I'm pretty sure we're done, right? We'll put the timer on anyway, like it will be on screen, so you can tell, but I think we were done before the 5 minutes. Am I right? Am I wrong? Where did we end with this? I don't even know. So there you go, a 5-minute makeup look, which honestly is super easy. It's just about picking the right products. So as I said, I used my IT Cosmetics CC cream that was in the shade Tan. Now for my brows, I used my Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in number 4. And I basically drew the line to shape the bottom part of my brow first. So that's why they're so nice and clean, right? Then I used my brow pen to create that feathered look from the line upwards so that there's no gap there. Concealer I use is always a great one. This is the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in Natural Beige. It is a great concealer for instant coverage that isn't difficult to blend, very flexible, very easy, and gives you great coverage. And then the blush was my Dior Forever Blush Soft Filter in Bloom. A great tangerine color that adds a bit of kind of like, it just makes you look alive. It just adds that color back in. Plus it's on my lips, so it's a really nice kind of like vibrant color, which isn't too in your face. And then obviously my lip liner was my Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat in, oh my God, Iconic Nude. How have I forgot that? And then my powder, very easy powder, perfect for when you're in a rush. The Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder from Charlotte Tilbury in number 2. And I think that was it. Oh, my Kosas, the Sun Show Bronzer in Beachy. It's a great bronzer to add a little bit. It's got a hint of sheen in there that adds that little bit of kind of almost like slight dewiness to your skin, which doesn't look over the top and isn't like greasy or anything. It just adds that really nice radiance to your skin. Let's be honest, for 5 minutes, this is pretty good, right? So I wanted you to see how you can still create a really good look in 5 minutes. Obviously, it's not your ideal situation, but there are times where we only have 5 minutes. I've been there 100 times. I know you probably have. This is just about making you understand that you can do it in 5 minutes. It's just about getting the right products together, having those products there that you can use when you have a long time to do your makeup, but also when you only have 5 minutes. You don't want to reach for the things that you reach for when you have a lot of time to do your makeup. These are very strategic products and they've been applied in a very strategic way. Very easy, something that blends in and makes your skin still look like skin, not heavy, but still looks flawless and is a good look for 5 minutes. I would say so myself. I don't know if that was a saying. I think it's, I don't know what that saying is. If I do say so myself, yeah, that's it. Oh dear, it's been a long day. So yeah, I just wanted you to know that you can create a really good look with this. And I think this is a really good look. I feel I would still go out like this. You know, if I had 5 minutes, I'd rather look like this than what I did 5 minutes ago, right? So let me know what you think. My mascara was the Dior Over Volume Mascara. It's a great mascara if you don't have time, as long as you just don't kind of get too heavy-handed with it. You only need like a few coats of that, that's it, immediately, and it does make a difference. I mean, my lashes didn't look like that before. Also, I just want to add that I would really appreciate if you do like this video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button, because there's loads of amazing new videos coming up that I think you're going to love. So that bell button just ensures that you don't miss my future videos. But if you actually like this video and subscribe to the channel, it really does help to support my work. And I know it seems like such an obvious, annoying thing that you probably hear from every YouTuber, but it really does make a difference to my channel. And if you've enjoyed anything on this channel today, I would really appreciate that from you. So thank you in advance. Super excited about the next video. Everything is linked in my description, so you can just head on over, click on the links, and it takes you straight to it. So trying to make this as easy as possible for you guys. Now, if you have a couple of minutes like spare at the end, I would probably use like a setting spray just to kind of let everything melt back in. If you don't want too much dewiness, use a setting spray which is a matte one, like the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray Matte Blur. It's a great setting spray to just kind of melt the powder in, but also not give you a dewy look. It actually genuinely does kind of blur the skin. So yeah, you're gonna love that. Anyway, I'm gonna love you and leave you and see you on the next video.